Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Busey Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in busey.com. It will take you to the official website of Busey Bank, and over here, choose your login type in this drop down arrow and enter your username in this username section. Once you do that, click on login. You will be redirected to the password section, and from there enter the password of your account and again click on login. You will be logged into your Busey Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, click here forgot password to reset it. And if you want to create a new account, you can click here new user to create a new account on Busey Bank. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your Busey Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.